In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Surfshark VPN on your Walmart on Google TV box. If you've been looking to enhance your online privacy and security while using this device, you're in the right place. We'll guide you through the installation of Surfshark VPN step by step, making it easy to follow along even if you're not tech savvy. First, let's begin by heading over to the official Surfshark website. Open your web browser and type in surfshark.com, or simply click on the link provided in the description below. Once you're on their homepage, you'll want to navigate to the My Account section, which you can find at the top right corner of the site. Clicking here will take you to the login area where you'll enter your credentials. So, if you already have a Surfshark account, go ahead and log in. If not, you may want to pause the video to create an account or ensure everything is set up before we continue. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Surfshark home. Here, you need to identify and click on the VPN option. This section is dedicated to various VPN apps that Surfshark provides and is the key to setting up the VPN for your Google TV box. Next, look for the option that allows you to select your device type. In this case, we're dealing with a TV or console setup, so it's important to click on TV or console. This ensures that you are choosing the correct configuration for your Walmart on Google TV box. It's a simple yet critical step that helps avoid unnecessary complications later on. Now comes the crucial part: activating Smart DNS. Locate the Activate Smart DNS button and click on it. Smart DNS is an excellent feature that not only helps in enhancing streaming speed, but is also very efficient on devices like your Google TV box. By activating this feature, you ensure that your device is primed for a secure browsing experience. Once you've completed these steps, your configuration should be good to go. However, always remember to check for any specific settings your VPN might require for TV devices to ensure smooth operation. If you encounter any issues, visiting the Surfshark support page will offer additional guidance and troubleshooting tips. And that's it. You've successfully installed Surfshark VPN on your Walmart on Google TV box. Now you can browse securely, enjoying the peace of mind that your activities are private and protected. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.